its own hybrid engines, and that too inside such secret and high-tech factories, where a new engine is ready in just a few minutes. But the real question is, where are these engines actually made? Is it just one factory, or are multiple hidden locations working behind it? And the bigger thing, what is so special about BYD's hybrid engine that makes it different from other companies? You must have heard a lot about Tesla and other EV companies. But BYD has quietly created a system where engine, battery, and motor all work together as one powerful combo. And that's the reason why today BYD's hybrid cars are spreading so fast across the world. But the real game starts inside the factory, where from raw metal to the final engine, every step uses technology that you have probably never seen before. And in this video, we are going to show you all of that, the complete inside truth, step-by-step process, and those hidden factories where these engines are made, and how this is giving tough competition to companies like Toyota and Tesla. Before moving ahead, let's talk about BYD's hybrid engines. Where are these engines actually made? BYD prepares most of its hybrid powertrain in China itself. Behind this is its subsidiary FinDreams Powertrain. This company specifically handles the production of engines, motors, transmissions, and the complete hybrid system. BYD has built this system so strong that it does not need to depend on any external company. Now let's come to the main factories. BYD has several big plants in China. First is Shenzhen. This is the headquarters area of BYD. This is where the company started, and even today, research, development, and some production lines run here. The Shenzhen plant is very advanced, where new ideas are tested. Then comes the Zhengzhou Mega Factory. This plant is truly mind-blowing, so big that it feels like an entire city. Here, a car gets ready every few seconds. Along with hybrid model assembly, powertrain components are also made here. The level of automation in Zhengzhou is very high. Robots can be seen working day and night. The Xi'an plant is also very important. It has a yearly capacity of around 9 lakh vehicles. Engines and complete systems for hybrid SUVs and sedans are prepared here. In Changsha too, a strong production line for hybrid vehicles is running. This plant in Hunan province is known for skilled workers and good facilities. The Hefei plant is new but growing very fast. Overall, BYD has around 8 to 9 major vehicle production bases in China, where hybrid components are made. Now, the biggest thing, vertical integration. What does that mean? BYD has kept everything in its own hands under one roof. Everything from raw material to finished powertrain is prepared. Making the engine block, winding the electric motor, assembling the blade battery pack, fitting the gearbox, everything happens in one place. There is no need to import parts from other companies. Because of this, cost stays low, quality control becomes easy, and there are no supply chain issues. See, most companies depend on supplier's engine from one place, battery from another, motor from somewhere else. But BYD has built its own complete ecosystem. That's why it is able to make such affordable and efficient hybrid cars. Now let's talk about global expansion. BYD is no longer limited to China. It has opened a new plant in Brazil where local hybrid models are being assembled. Production is also running in Thailand and Uzbekistan. New plants are being built in Hungary and Turkey. In these places, cars are assembled, but the core hybrid engines and powertrains still mainly come from China because the infrastructure, technology, and scale there are the best. In the future, local engine manufacturing might also start in these regions. But for now, the entire system depends on these big factories in China. And these factories are not just big, but also smart. AI, robotics, and digital monitoring are used everywhere so that every engine comes out perfect. Production scale, how many are produced annually? Now, let's talk about the real numbers. How big is the production of BYD's hybrid engines and powertrains? Hearing this might blow your mind. In 2008, BYD launched the world's first mass-produced plug-in hybrid car, the BYD F3DM. From that time till now, meaning by 2026, BYD has produced more than 7.7 million PHEV vehicles. That means over 7.7 million hybrid cars. And this number is increasing every year. In the last few years, BYD has picked up massive speed. In 2025, the company produced and sold more than 4.6 million new energy vehicles EV plus hybrid. In this, hybrids have a very big share. In many months, hybrids even went ahead of EVs. That means every year, lakhs of DMI hybrid systems are being produced. BYD's total vehicle manufacturing capacity in China alone is more than 5 to 6 million cars per year. And this capacity is still growing. Plants like Zhengzhou, Xi'an, and Hefei together make this huge number possible. Hybrid models like BYD Qin, BYD Song, BYD Seal, and BYD Tang come with the DMI system. So just imagine how many hybrid powertrains are being produced every year. Even back in 2021, one single line had a capacity of around 5 lakh units per year for DMI powertrain. Now, multiple lines are running, and the capacity has increased many times. Now look at daily production. Some of BYD's mega factories are so fast that a new car rolls out of the assembly line every 30 to 60 seconds. The Zhengzhou Superfactory is the biggest example of this. Production runs there day and night. Just imagine how many cars in 24 hours. Hundreds. And every car either comes with a hybrid system already installed or it gets installed during assembly. FinDream's powertrain has different lines working specially on hybrid engines, EHS units, electric motor plus generator, gearboxes, and battery pack. The 1.5 L Xiaoyun engine